A refrigerator is an appliance used to keep food and drinks cold. Leaving the refrigerator door open accidentally for a long time is a common problem faced by the users. When the refrigerator door is open, the cold air escapes and is replaced by warm air from the room. The refrigerator's compressor has to then drive the warm air out and bring the temperature back to normal. If the refrigerator door is left open for a long time, it wastes energy and it may spoil the refrigerator's compressor.
The solution of this problem is to introduce our product, the Automatic Refrigerator Alarm System, ARAS. It is an automated alarm system which monitors the status of the refrigerator door. ARAS has greatly reduced energy loss and it prolongs the lifespan of a refrigerator.
The objectives of our product are to design an automatic alarm system to monitor the door of the refrigerator, to provide an upgrade to the old model refrigerator, to reduce the energy waste and to avoid from spoiling the compressor when the refrigerator door is left open for a long time.
These are the benefits of our products. 1. Novelty. Automated system, low cost and easy maintenance. An improvement to the existing refrigerator alarm system in the market. Usefulness. Implemented to the refrigerator or freezer for both domestic and industrial use. Providing an upgrade to an old model refrigerator.
The focus of the innovation is to build an Arduino-based alarm system to monitor the status of the refrigerator door, which does not require complicated electrical work, which is plug and play. The separation distance between two magnetic reed switches will determine whether the alarm is triggered or not. The product is safe to use as it can work on any power banks. The material that has been used to make this product are Arduino Maker Uno EduSet, Arduino SIP 900A GSM GPRS module, Arduino Magnetic Reed Switch, Lego EV3 Mindstorm.
When the refrigerator door is open, the alarm will beep for a short time. If the door is left open for more than 20 minutes,
a few moments later,
the alarm will beep for a few seconds and the robotic arm will shut the refrigerator door automatically.
When the refrigerator door is open, the alarm will beep for a short time. If the door is left open for more than 20 minutes,
a little longer than a few minutes later,
but in this situation, the robotic arm is malfunctioning and the door will not be closed.
5 minutes later,
if the system detects that the door is still open after 20 minutes, the system will send a SMS to notify the user to shut the refrigerator door.